If you want to be a part of the conversation before it happens here on YouTube, click that link in the description to join the free Courtside Financial Discord. What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial, the channel where we talk about business and technology. Today we're going to be talking about the financial performance of NIO as they've recently reported their Q3 earnings. So stay tuned. This is going to be a pretty interesting episode, definitely a necessary episode. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, notification bell icon, leave a comment down below here. Whether you're new here or returning, your engagement really does go a long way in helping out the channel. So let's kick off with the headline act, NIO's Q3 financial report. Revenue soaring to 19.1 billion yuan, which was 117.4% increase. Pretty astounding. But hold on to your seats, because when you look a little bit closer, even with revenue soaring that high, what also happened was net losses of 4.6 billion yuan. So what's the strategy behind these bold moves? Well, we'll have to buckle up as we shift into what CEO William Li said as he unveiled the roadmap for the next 2 years. This roadmap emphasized organizational cost cutting and efficiency improvements as well. It's like preparing for a Grand Prix. You need the right team, a lean machine, and a stellar strategy. What caught our attention was NIO's acquisition pit stop. They spent a cool 3.2 billion yuan acquiring assets from Anhui Shanghai Automotive Group. Think of it as souping the engine to boost performance. Professor Wen Yonggang also joined the crew as a new independent director, adding a seasoned navigator to the team. But here's a twist. We already know this. We already talked about this on the channel. William Li announced a 10% workforce reduction. This is a strategic move as one of those cost-cutting measures to optimize efficiency in the company. Tough decisions for a tougher competition up ahead. Now on to the financial pit lane. NIO raised 1.15 billion yuan through convertible senior bonds. CFO Feng Wei noted that this move strengthens their balance sheet, providing them with momentum in the fierce competition. Obviously, as we mentioned earlier, NIO's revenue was the star of the show here, with 19.1 billion yuan, 117.4% surge compared to the previous quarter. A significant chunk came from vehicle sales rising 142.3%. It's almost like NIO hit the turbo button on vehicle deliveries this time around. And breaking news here, Li Bin, the company's founder, announced the company's foray into the independent vehicle manufacturing realm. This is going to be a game changer for NIO. Zhang Junyi from Oliver Wyman says that NIO can now enjoy things like even more government subsidies and carbon credits, reducing their cost. They're not just in the race, they're now designing the track. Battery swaps, anyone? NIO joined forces with Changan Automotives and Geely as well, as we documented on this channel before the earnings report came out too. They're looking to revolutionize the world of pit stops in the electric vehicle realm. Swappable battery standards, network sharing, and asset management are all things that these partnerships, I should say, will encompass. Now, gross margin held steady at 8%, but NIO's cost rose to 17.5 billion yuan, however. That would be a 55.7% increase. Now let's talk losses. Obviously the tough part to talk about. NIO lost 4.6 billion yuan, which is a 10.8% increase from last year. The road can be bumpy, but Li Bin assured shareholders that all these moves are necessary in the view of long-termism. As we approach NIO's finish line, Q4 looks pretty promising. They anticipate to deliver between 4,700 to 4,900 vehicles, with total revenue expected to hit 16.1 to 16.7 yuan. It seems like NIO's financial race is far from over. And there you have it, folks. That was another thrilling lap around the circuit. That's going to be it for this episode of the Courtside Financial Podcast, where we're talking about NIO's Q3 earnings today. Want to know what you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Obviously, click the notification bell icon. Your engagement really does go a long way in helping out the channel.